Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can reference the image on Bluewillow. So let's get started without wasting any time. Please do not skip the video and watch it till the end so you don't miss out on any step. Let's get started. You can see there's this interface open on my screen. You can access it by clicking the link in my description box. After you land on this site, you have to scroll down to this rookie option. You can choose any rookie, just make sure you choose a rookie that is not very busy so that your messages don't get lost in it. I'm going to choose this one. And then here I'm going to just click / and then click imagine. After that, for the prompt, I'm going to just drag this image's link and paste it over here. Now make sure that it is a JPEG, PNG or some better format, and then you have to press enter and wait for a while. Now here you can see that my image has been generated. It will take a little time to load, so be patient at this step. Now you can see that the image is loaded, and this is the image that it has generated for me from my reference image. You can also choose a picture from your library and use it and use the prompt again. So I hope this was an easy process and you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.